Hey there folks, Sam with KC Lawns. Today we have a Tanaka trimmer and we're gonna restring it. First things first is that you're gonna take this off here by squeezing this right here and this right here at the same time. When you squeeze that, it should pop right off. And then you've got your bump cover right here. You put it to the side and you have your spool and get our string. This right here folks is the lime green string by Still. We love it, we want it. We need it. There is something special about this string. I can't even tell you. It's going to be in the description below if you would like to buy it on Amazon. Oh, whoa, how much? How much string? Well, you're going to do pull, pull. Take your dikes, get yourself a cut, and that right there is 12 feet. Then get the two ends of the string, put them together, and pull until you find the halfway point. Once you have found that halfway point, you're going to take it, then you're going to loop it around here. When you loop it around this, you need to make sure that the string is facing the way that the arrow is going, okay? So when you twist that, you're going to twist it. You can do it this way, or what you can do is you can keep that spool stationary. Once you get to where there is about 5 inches of string left, you're going to slide it inside one of these deals right here. This is a little cutout. You slide it into that, and then the same thing you're going to do on this other side. That is just to keep it there until you move on to the last step. Put it into the bump cover, and then making sure it sits right there. Right. When you put it in there, you want it to be as close as to these teeth as possible, because then what you're going to do, pull it through to there. And you'll do that on this side as well. We're going to cut off the excess, that way this is even, and then simply, by holding this right here, you will prevent it from unspooling. Now you'll line up the teeth with a cutout right there, and then you will push until it pops inside into place. Pull this tight, and that right there is how you restring a Tanaka. And if you found this video useful, like the video so that other people will see it. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section below, and don't forget, if you are trimming outside, always wear protection.